Hi, this is Lance Edwards, and welcome to this session of Apartment Wealth Nuggets. I'm here in my office again. As always, I got Luis behind the camera here. And this topic, this session, is going to be on what I call your business plan. How many doors do you need to own in apartments to declare your financial freedom? And I'm going to show you it's a much smaller number that you can imagine. I'm going to show you how you're this close right now to declaring your financial independence. What I'm going to be sharing with you today is actually an excerpt from my book, How to Make Big Money in Small Apartments. This is covered in Chapter 4, which begins on page 59. So, your business plan. And, many times people want to know how many apartments you need to own in order to have enough mailbox money coming in. How many apartment doors you need to have in order to have enough checks coming in to where you don't need to work for anyone else anymore. Well, let me give you your business plan right now. It's very simple. You should expect a minimum cash flow of $100 per month per door. That's cash flow. Now, when I say cash flow, I mean that's money that goes in your pocket. That's after paying all the expenses to operate your building, including paying your management company to deal with the day-to-day. It also includes all the expenses of paying your investing sources, your private lenders. Net, minimum cash flow $100 per month per door. Of course, before Uncle Sam puts his hand in your pocket. But that's your minimum. Okay, so, and why is that? Here's why. Because interest rates are at lifetime lows right now. Lifetime lows, which means cash flow is at record highs. That's why you need to be getting your hands on as much small apartment buildings as you can right now. Now, in other sessions, I've talked about how you're going to do it using other people's money. So that's not going to be a resource. Don't say you don't have the money. No, you're going to use other people's money. So the thing that stands between you and financial independence right now is deal flow, which we talk about in another Apartment Wealth Nuggets session. All right, back to the $100 per month per door cash flow. So if you look at that number, that means if you want $100,000 a year net income into your pocket, that's 80 doors. Because 80 doors times $100 a month would be $8,000 a month times 12 months would be $96,000. I rounded up a little bit. But think of it, here's your ratio. $100,000 a year is 80 doors. So if $100,000 a year would set you financially free, then your target's 80 doors. If $50,000 a year would set you free, it's half that, it's 40 doors. I want you to calculate right now, what's your number? What's your number? Because I want your subconscious focused on that's your target. And that's what you need to get to work on, is accumulating that small number of doors. No matter what your number is, it's a very short period of time to accumulate those doors, and you can declare your financial independence, or at least you can declare options that you have in replacing your spouse's job, replacing your job, doing whatever you want in your life. It's that simple. You're those few number of doors away. You can measure it in terms of months, how soon you could attain that goal. That's all described here in the book, How to Make Big Money in Small Apartments. Again, check it out on page 59. This is Lance Edwards, Apartment Wealth Nuggets. Until the next time, get focused, know what your number is. How many doors do you need?